Got a floor plan? Then stop guessing your walls. With Pascal, you can rebuild your real home in 3D by tracing right over your actual floor plan. No measuring tape required. Here's how. In the Guide Images section, hit the plus button and upload your floor plan. You can adjust the opacity to whatever feels comfortable to trace over. Click the compass to align the view to the north, and if your plan faces a different direction, press R or T to rotate it. Click and drag to move it around, or grab the corner handles to scale and rotate it freely. Now the important part, matching your plan's scale to Pascal. In the panel on the right, click Set Scale. Draw a line over a known measurement, the legend if your plan has one, or in our case, the width of the main room. Type in the real dimension in whatever unit you prefer. And just like that, your floor plan is perfectly scaled. Want to reposition it on the grid? Unlock it, move it where you want, then lock it again so it stays out of your way while you build. Time to draw the walls right on top of the plan. You can work in 2D or 3D. I'm going with 2D for simplicity with angle snapping on. Press Shift to toggle between the snapping modes. And notice, as soon as your walls enclose a space, Pascal creates the room automatically. The plan shows where the window goes. Use the 3D view to place it at the right height and the 2D view to resize it precisely. Then duplicate it and knock out the whole studio. Same idea for doors. And since the plan shows the opening side, press R to flip it, or change the hinge side in the door panel. Bathroom door, and a closet for the main space. Our plan has a detailed bathroom, so let's match it. Drop in the sink, then the toilet. The shower isn't a ready-made item, so let's build a custom one. Add a thin wall and paint the slab with tile for a clean break from the rest of the bathroom. Mount the shower head, add a sliding door, and paint that wall with the glass material. Now it reads like a real shower. For the kitchen, we'll use the new modular cabinets. Nudge the window up so it doesn't fight with the counters, then drop in a fridge, a sink, a cooktop, and a dishwasher. To wrap up the studio, a bed, a nightstand, and a lamp on top. Paint the walls to your liking, and voila, your home in Pascal. Now you can try different styles and layouts and find the one you love before changing anything in the real world.